Lisa here with Ultimate Serenity. I wanted to show you how to release your tension in your shoulder blades with the use of the rock tape balls. One of them is smooth, one of them is spiky. I like the smooth one because it's a little bit easier. So how to do that is you're going to need a foam roller and or some sort of a pillow, and you're going to lay on your back. Pop up your head, take your ball, place it in between your shoulder blade and your spine. Bring your arm up, reach it over. Do this a couple of times and you'll start to feel it in your shoulder joint, releasing some of that tension in your rhomboids. And pat yourself on the back, take your other hand and just circle that shoulder around. A little bit of trigger point work. And release it. Reach over, take the ball out, cinch your hair, and if you're on the foam roller, if you got any tension in your suboccipital or you got any headaches, simply by rolling your head side to side to help release some of that day-to-day tension, staring at a computer screen, just a little break in your day. And release it. Alright, so hopefully that'll inspire you to take a self-care break today. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.